Now I am going to show you how to cut the onion. No matter what the onion is, it may be a red onion or yellow onion, the cutting is going to be the same procedure. So this we can say it is the base for any cooking and for any cuisine. So there are wide varieties of cuts in onion. Let's see step by step and one by one. Now first we need to peel the onion. You can use either the chef's knife or you can use the utility knife for peeling. Make sure don't waste too much of onion, just like this. So now give a small slit. In this way it's easy for you to remove the skin off with your hands. One more time I will show you how to peel it. Cut the head and tail, give a small slit. On the other side also you can give a small slit. No? Either you can use your hand or you can use the knife itself. Just remove the first layer. That's it. See how easy it is? Hardly 5 to 6 seconds for peeling the onion. Now first I'm going to show you how to cut slice, or we call it as roundels of onion. Hold the onion firmly. The knife has to be, you have to cut it from here. Once you reach half of the onion, you can turn it on the other side. Again, do the same procedure. So this is how roundels has. Now I am going to show you how to make julienne, or we call it as slice. So this will vary according to the thickness of it is. So remove this eye so that it is easy for you. Remove the eye again. Now the type I am going to show you is the Indian slice. This is one type of slice. And the same thing if you are using for the Chinese, then instead first I have cut in this way. Now you have to turn it. If you slice it like this, then this is for the Chinese style slice. Now I'm going to show you how to chop the onion. So for chopping, we can do it in two different ways. The first step I'm going to show you is with the whole onion, how to chop. So this is little tricky, but you need little practice for this to become an expert. So first I'm going to show you. Again turn it. Then again turn it. You have to cut it all the way of four sides. Again. See? Now cut it into half. Now we are going to chop it. Now one more time, the remaining half. This way if you chop, you can chop a 25 kg bag within 15 minutes. So this is a kind of fast chopping, but for this You need a lot of practice, but everything is possible for everybody. So try. I'm going to show you the other type of chopping. This is little easy for the freshers. So this is a whole onion. Cut it 1 by 2. Remove the eye, as I said you earlier. Now keep like this. Hold the knife and hold the onion in your left hand. Now cut it 3/4 of it. Don't cut it all the way long. In this way, the onion holds its shapes so that it's easy for you to chop it. Now chop it. This is the way of fine chopping. Now I'm going to show you how to dice the onion. We can dice it either way, small, big. So as usual, remove the eye for any type of cutting. Now for bigger dice, cut it in an elongated way, 1 by 2. Now 1, 2. So this is the big dice of onion. And for small dice, in the same way, you have to cut it twice the time on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after cutting this big dice of onion, you need to remove each layers with your hand. In this way we can use it. Now I am going to show you another type of slice with little thicker one. So this is the half portion of the onion. Keep it in an elongated way. Cut like this. Turn it. Yep. This is another type of slice. Roundels of onion. 3 varieties of slice. One is like Indian style, and this is the Chinese style slice, and this is little thicker slice of onion. And here it is the small dice, or we call it as macedon, and this is the big dices of onion, and finally finely chopped onion. Now this roundel onion is for green salads and for garnishing the starters and snacks after it is deep fried. And this Indian slice is used for making biryanis, and this Chinese slice is used for making Indo-Chinese dishes, mainly noodles or even chili chicken. Then this thick kind of slice is used for mainly jalfrezi, a vegetable jalfrezi or vegetable curries in Indian style. Then this big dice of onion is used for making Indo-Chinese preparations like chili chicken or even Manchurian styles. And the small dices are used for making Indian curries, and as usual chopped onion for everything as a base. And this big dice is used for even skewers of meat, shashlik, etc.